Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be replacing engine air filter on 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. This will apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders from 2013 up to 2022. Engine air filter on 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander is located in engine compartment on driver's side right in this box. For this job I'm gonna be using only flathead screwdriver. To start this job, you will have to remove two trim screws on the air duct. You can just simply pry them out and then pull it out. Put it on the side. Now the other one. Next step is to unclip those metal clips from the box. You have two of them. Now you just want to separate these two and take out the old filter. For the better access, you can completely remove that air duct. You always want to make sure the position of your air filter. As we can see, this one is old and dirty. Before installing new air filter, you want to make sure that your air box is clean. If you have some dirt inside, you will have to vacuum it and clean it up. Now I'm gonna install new air filter and I'm gonna make sure it's nicely lined up. Just like that. Now, next step, you will have to close this air box. Make sure these two plastic pins will go inside of these two holes. Once you have a new filter inside, you want to clip that clips back on, and you want to return those trim screws right here. And that's it. Job is completed. Thanks for watching.